Ever imagine managing your tickets with lightning speed? And that's exactly what quick ticket actions are for. When you first log into HappyFox Help Desk, you'll immediately notice a number of key ticket properties clearly displayed. These include essential details like the status of the ticket, who it's currently assigned to, its priority level, the category it belongs to, and its due date. The best part? Any one of these properties can be changed instantly. I can effortlessly select a new status, reassign the ticket to another agent, adjust the priority level, switch its category, or set a new due date. These are what we call quick ticket actions. For even more convenience, you'll also spot the More Actions icon here. Clicking this icon allows you to perform all the same swift actions, consolidated neatly under a single, intuitive drop-down menu. The More Actions icon is available in other views too, like the Compact view and the Kanban view. And it doesn't stop there. When you click into the ticket details page itself, you can perform these very same quick actions. What's more, even while you're actively replying to a ticket or adding a private note, these valuable quick actions remain accessible directly on the interface.